Mike. Thursday morning, headed to South Tech to walk with some of my customers to see how things are going, see some new stuff. I was challenged by Mike Bird to come up with something different that a lot of people may not talk about or have heard. And I was thinking about something neat or a neat topic that a lot of people don't talk about. And today I want to talk about the SMC CAD system, or pulling a CAD from an SMC product. Number one, with a valid part number, you can go to several different SMC websites, be able to pull CADs. With a valid part number, you'll need to log into the SMC website. So number one, easiest way to get an SMC CAD is to go to smcusa.com, log in, and drop your part number into the search box and hit search. If it populates, and normally it does, scroll down to the blue boxes underneath the part number, and right there it'll say CAD design or CAD drawing, and ask for it in a step file, SolidWorks, Inventor, etc. Populate the CAD and you're off to the races. Now, second way to go about pulling an SMC CAD, if you cannot find it on SMC USA, would be to go to smceu.com. That's the European website, and do the same. Make sure you're logged in. Make sure you drop the part number in the search box, and if it populates, you just scroll down and pull the CAD drawing in whatever form factor you need it. The third way is to go to the smcworld.com website. That's the European website. Log in and then drop the part number in the search box, and upon it populating, it will give you the CAD and pull it in whatever form factor you need. Last but not least, if you cannot get a CAD out of those three, you can send a CAD to CAD, C-A-D, at smcusa.com and ask for what form factor, Inventor, PDF, SolidWorks. Make sure you put it down. Make sure you give them the part number you're looking for and hit enter, and they will give you a case number, typically within 10 to 15 minutes, and then typically they will send the CAD design or CAD drawing back to you in your desired form factor, usually within a couple of hours at the worst. Let me know if you have any more questions or need any more knowledge on this topic. Appreciate it. Have a good day. I'll give you an update from South Tech. See you guys.